Hello, which of the three components are part of the human communication process? Message, recording, feedback. Message, noise, feedback. Feedback, message, critique. So the recording is not the components part of human communication in option A. So option A is incorrect. In case of option C, the critique is not the component parts of the human communication process. So best option is option B, message noise feedback. In the human communication process, the key components, the message, the information being conveyed, noise, any interference or distortion that affects the message clarity, example, physical noise, psychological distractions, feedback, the response from the receiver that indicates the whether the message was understood. Thanks for watching and request you all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for patience. That is now bye bye. See you again.